Phobia, Wamo, a water Malay, not watch a dear, a walk, Cokozoli, ye was a boba mensimu, or northern region, and ne, Wamusu soon, officer, a year, Wamo bridge, a fat pamba, ne, sabobano, and sooner bois for sunti, ama a bois edne, and a one way trench one or one edge woma, how am I drink, one Adom Kasee, Edin Comway.
Asana nsuo ebebun kamafa KPALBA sutade no so no na ekwan no enye de nanso na akwantufo etumi ede motorbike ene ehyen efa kwan no so edi wono mo akone aba free boba ekọ KPALBA etuam kọ yendi efisa nsuo no eyiri fa so no manfo yi etuaga na sika no aduo no ansana wono mo a wode kodo ye adwuma ede wono matwa nsuo no nso manfo kirem se haw kese ema wono mo pa akyekirefo bi a Ochirade e was aboba mensini mu eda na di se emfa won sesesei ede ekafoforo ababeto wono so no wono mu kwakora eda sane mu esan se wono mu tena kodo no so etwa nsuo no a wono enhye life jacket bia ne senti wono ma de atoke bi omufo nyina ene aban animu se womeboa wono se be ya oyune bia ensi wono mu krom hono mo.
During rainy season like this, you find it difficult to cross this bridge because when you come like this, you have to pay money before you cross the bridge, which is sometimes people even got drunk because of this. It's risky. We are risking our lives. Imagine coming all day from Tamale just to cross this bridge. Government can do something. Even our politicians, they should work something on it. We are pleading with the politicians to work on it so that we can be passing here peacefully.
We always find it difficult to pass here when we are going back to even when we are coming. And then you see here, like when you come, the money that they will charge you is not a small money. And you see, people even like today is Yendi market day, and then see how people will suffer before crossing this road. So we are pleading on stakeholders and the government. They should do something about this our road.
Jamont Solomon ede kuduo eye adwuma woni amani boni ehwehwe nkomo.
Yeah, we life jacket. The life jacket no mo mind. I say, and to see amun nibi, to see a nibi.